From the main screen, click Settings. Enable the Auto Import Results option, then add a folder where the test results will be stored. Next, from the Toolbox main screen, launch either the NetBlazer or PowerBlazer application. In this example, we'll use NetBlazer. Go to the Results section and open the Generate Report dialog. Select the same folder that was added in the EXFO Exchange settings. Before closing the dialog, make sure the Auto Generate Report option is enabled. Now select a test and start the acquisition. Here we're running an iOptics test. EXFO Exchange currently supports iOptics, EtherSAM, RFC 6349, RFC 2544, Cable Test, eCPRI BERT, and eCPRI BERT. In EXFO Exchange, new test results are automatically detected, imported, and uploaded to your current workspace. You can also use T&D tests with jobs defined in Exchange. In this example, we have a job with 4 circuits, and we're using EtherSAM to test them. Once the test is complete, the result is automatically linked to the job and uploaded. To learn more about EXFO Exchange, visit docs.exfoexchange.com.